Windows 10 now includes the option of using a vector-drawn cursor. What this means is that your cursor can be any size or color without sacrificing quality. If you've ever scoured the internet for a cursor or animated cursor file and tried to use it on a high DPI display, you know what I'm talking about. Most old cursor files are 16 pixels and become blurry when they get scaled to accommodate a high resolution of a modern screen. A vector-drawn cursor does not have this issue. Now, this feature was added to Windows 10 for accessibility purposes because setting a contrasting color can help those who have low vision or other sight impairments. But there's no reason that you can't use this function to customize your cursor for aesthetics as well. Here's how to do it. I'm going to customize my system accent color and cursor color to match the hue of this awesome Blueprint wallpaper. So I'm going to start by opening that picture file in Paintbrush. So I'll just find that file here in my folder and choose Edit on the context menu to pop that open inside Paint. Make this a little larger here. And I'm going to grab the color picker tool and just select a blue shade somewhere between the light and dark area. I'll pick this color right here with the color dropper. That set it as the active color, and then I can click Edit Colors to get the red, green, and blue value of that specific color value. So then we'll pop open Settings, and once that opens, we'll go to the Ease of Access section. And then we'll go to the mouse pointer section inside there in the Vision area. So we'll pick a custom cursor color, and I'll click More, and then put in those values we see in Paintbrush, 55 red, 89 green, and 153 blue. And now that color matches. So we'll just click Done, and now my cursor is that exact color that I picked on the picture file, the Blueprint. Now if I point to my wallpaper, it almost looks transparent because it perfectly matches the background, but I'm done with the folder, done with Paint, and I'm going to dial up my cursor size a little bit. I like it a little bit on the larger side, so I'm going to pick 3 here. Unfortunately, that doesn't come through in the video capture, but it's moderately large for me. We'll also go into the text cursor here and set it to be the same. Now the text cursor is what you see, that bar, when you're actually typing in a text box. I'm just going to eyeball this one a little bit. It doesn't have to be very exact, but I'll set that one to be a blue hue as well. And then let's just take a look here and make sure that it looks nice. I'll open up the Run dialog. Oh, I wanted to mention too, these cursors are generated and saved into this file folder. I'll put the path in the description, but it actually creates actual cursor files. You could share these or copy them to another computer if you wanted to. I don't know exactly why. And then you'll also see down in the text box there, the cursor I-beam as I'm typing has the same blue color that I just picked in the Ease of Access Center. So I'll just zoom in a little bit so you can see that a little bit better. But see, as I'm typing, we have the blue cursor, and my mouse pointer is also that awesome blue color. So it matches really well, and I love it because basically the aesthetics is everything matches. I'll go into personalization and set my system accent color to be the same. Just scroll down in here, and you can tell I've done this previously. It's one of my recent colors. But I'll click that, and now it's applied basically everywhere in the system where a color stroke is used. If I open Action Center, you'll see that the buttons are the matching color for my Blueprint, and everything just really looks kind of awesome with that white and blue, basically Blueprint motif. I love it. So that's how to set a custom cursor, text icon, and accent color in Windows.